Daniel spent a decade climbing to regional manager, bought the house with the 3-car garage, filled it with the right things, wore the right watch. Then his company restructured, the market shifted, and he sat in that empty kitchen at 11 p.m., holding a coffee mug he'd bought to feel successful, unable to name a single idea he stood for. He opened a notebook, wrote for 30 minutes, stared at 3 blank pages. Nothing you can touch survives the first real storm. But an idea, a principle passed to someone younger, a way of thinking released into the world, moves through time without maintenance, without depreciation. The people who left the deepest marks on history rarely did it with buildings. Write down 3 principles you actually live by, not the ones that sound good, the real ones. Then share one. A conversation, a voice note, a written message. Make your thinking visible before the storm arrives. What's one principle you live by that you've never actually said out loud?